This video will provide an overview of the maximum character lengths of the various parts of blocks. Expand the automation system AS90, the CPU, and the program. Select the Charts folder. To the right of the Charts folder, right-click a Continuous Function Chart, or CFC. This example uses Love Intelligence Alpha 114, LIA 114, and open the Continuous Function Chart, or CFC. The Continuous Function Chart, LIA 114, opens, showing two blocks. Right-click the top part of the MON ANI block on the right and open its properties. The instant name of the block can have up to 16 characters. The block group entry can have up to 24 characters. 16 characters in length can be entered into the block icon named Create Block Icon. The comment entry can contain as many as 80 characters. Notice that the // period, quote, and % characters are invalid for use within the blocks. Even though a space, question mark, asterisk, single quote, and colon are acceptable characters for blocks, if this information is transferred to the WinCC OS during an OS compile, these characters will be automatically replaced with a $sign. This could cause problems, so it's recommended that you do not use these characters. Click the Messages button. The Message Configuration window opens. In this window, the event and info text fields can be edited. The event field can be edited and contain up to 255 characters total. The info text entry also supports up to 255 characters. The invalid character information is the same as the block properties. In the Input-Output tab of the block properties, there are also two fields that might be edited. The interconnections entry is usually not edited from here, but can have up to 512 characters in length. The parameter comment field is also usually not edited from here and supports up to 80 characters. Cancel out of this window. Right-click a parameter of the block and open its properties. Select Value and click the Properties button. The parameter comment field can have up to 80 characters with the same invalid character information. Close the parameter properties and structure window.